Kaisho. So, I was thinking, it's the beginning of my 5th season as the music director of the Euskadiko Orchestra. How shall we begin it? And I thought we should do it in a bold way, an exciting way, in an extraordinary way. And for some years I have been thinking about doing a cycle of Brahms symphonies with the orchestra, and I felt, well, now is the moment. Now we are coming out of the pandemic. Let us find a way of doing something extraordinary, almost superhuman. So, in 10 concerts, we will present all 4 symphonies of Johannes Brahms, the double concerto for violin and cello, and both piano concertos. To help us, we've invited 3 virtuosos, returning my friend Dimitri Makhtin on violin, also wonderful cellist and debut artist Alexei Stadler, and Tom Burrow, wonderful young pianist who's going to present both Brahms piano concertos with us. You know, when I'm thinking about programming, and when I am thinking about how do we come together, I can't help but be optimistic about things. It's just my nature. And after living here in Euskadi with my wife for the last 5 years, I feel part of your society. This is my home. And so, with everything in my heart and everything in the Euskadiko Orchestra's soul and power, we invite you to join us on our Brahms Fest. Eskerrik asko.